Before we get started, welcome to my channel and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video or found it helpful. I post weekly helpful and fun gaming videos and I hope you guys enjoy. Having a hard time creating thumbnails? Want to make thumbnails like these for free? Make sure to keep on watching to find out how. What's up guys, KINGGLOY here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a thumbnail for free using Pixlr E. Bars. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go to create new. As you can see, this is what I use to make my thumbnails. So go to create new. You want to choose 1280 by 720 because this is the thumbnail dimensions. So then you can change this to whatever you want. I'm just going to change it for the sake of the video for as thumbnail video. Make sure the background's on this because if you put on any of these colors, it's not going to be transparent. So press create. Next thing you want to do is find your background. So you go to Google, type in anything you want. I'll just make a spell break for you, spell break thumbnail for you guys. So I'll just search a spell break background. Go to images. You could also use, you'll see right here. You can use one of these, or you could type in any color. Those work really well. So for this video, let's choose, you want to choose one that's like not too bright so your pictures actually stand out if you're gonna put pictures in front. So I'm just gonna use this for the sake of the video. Yeah, put it into downloads, make sure it's there. And then to open up the layer here, I want to go to layer, add images layer, pick whatever you picked. Next thing you want to do, press edit, free transform, and then make sure you hold shift, and then you can set the dimensions like this, make sure it fits like that, and like that. Since there's already a character on this one, you want to, there's no point of putting another one on, but if you wanted to, I'll just show you guys that real quick. Press layer, add images layer. Make sure you pick something. I'll go to my editing images. Let's just take this. So for something like this, just put it there. Make sure you pick the magic wand, click, and then delete. Deleting is backspace, just so you guys know. So then if you click over here, click over here, there you go, you got a character in the back. You can do things with this, you can filter it, go to details. Actually not details, outline. You can put an outline on it. That's how some creators do that, just so you guys know. This is what I did on one of my videos. I pressed cancel, but yeah, you guys know what I mean. So I'm just gonna delete that. Next thing you guys want to do is, if you want to add some images or text, you go to text, just click on it. A good font I like to use is Lemon Milk. You want to go to this website, search up Lemon Milk. This is what a lot of YouTubers use. This is what I use for my videos. You just want to click on it, click download. It's right there. It's a zip, so you guys are gonna have to open it and do all that after. See, it just disappeared. Yeah, that's what it would look like. I already have this downloaded, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep that there. So then you want to go back to here, take your text, type whatever you want. I'll just type in best video ever made. You can set the font over here. It's 80 right now. It's not that big. You can put it smaller. Make sure you move this, and then you can just do stuff like that. Set the color. I'll just choose white for the video. And then you can set an outline by pressing styles, outline. Make it a black outline. You can choose whatever color you want. Change the size. Put a shadow on it. Doesn't really do much, but yeah, it gives it a cool effect, kinda. You can see right there, shadows. By the way, you scroll, just move your cursor. So then next thing you want to do is, if you want, you could put an outline on this border by clicking the layer. Go to filter, outer glow, pick any color you want, I'll just choose red, and then apply. Then you want to go back to edit, free transform, move this, move this, move this, and there you go. Got an outline on your video. This is not the best thumbnail, obviously. I make much better ones, but this is just a basic gist on how to do stuff on this app. It's pretty easy, it's free. Another thing you guys want to learn how to do is if you guys want, you can put a logo on, put add images layer, choose whatever logo you want. I'm just gonna use a spell break one. You're gonna be using the magic wand again. Click delete, which is backspace again, delete, 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 and then if you want, you can put a border on it. Make sure you actually click off with the magic wand. If you want, you can put a border on it. Go to filter, outline, white, and then turn up the size a little. Ooh, that's a big one. To undo, actually, you just want to go here, just click on what you recently did. So that'd be arrange. So again, filter, outline, pick your color, white. Just gonna go a little smaller this time. And there you guys go. An outline. It's not, obviously, like I said, it's not the best example, but it does get it does well. You can make much cooler thumbnails with this, but this is just an example. So actually, another thing you guys want to learn how to do is save the project, obviously. So what you want to do is go to file, save. You want to go to JPG because that's the better one. Put the quality all the way high, and then you just click download. So I'll download it for you. Should be ready pretty quickly, and then just open that bitch up, and there it is. Thank you guys for watching. That's going to be it. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch my new videos, and I'll see you guys soon.